Connect your IONOS Mail business account to Gmail to send and receive emails from your custom domain within Gmail. Use IMAP for syncing and SMTP for sending. Requires your IONOS email, password, and server settings. Step 1. Enable IMAP in IONOS login to IONOS control panel. Email, mail business. Select your email, settings. Enable IMAP access, default, on. Step 2. Add to Gmail, web, open Gmail, click gear icon, see all settings, accounts and import. Under check mail from other accounts, click add a mail account. Enter your IONOS email. Next. Choose import emails from my other account, POP 3. Next. Note. Gmail uses IMAP behind the scenes despite label. Input, username, full email, password, IONOS password, POP server, imap.ionos.com, port, 993, check, always use SSL click, add account, choose yes, send mail as. Next. SMTP details, SMTP server, smtp.ionos.com, port, 587, username, full email. Check secured connection using TLS verify via IONOS code, add account.